All right, welcome back. We're about to get started on our second grilled cheese. For this one, we've got a little heartier bread. I mean, it's not hearty, it's rich. It's a brioche that I just got from the bread aisle, but it's a little firmer than that super soft white. And then for this one, we're gonna use some Muenster cheese and some Colby Jack, just elevate it a little bit. When you're grilling your bread, you always put some sort of fat on the outside. And margarine, butter work great. Some people really like a little trick, and that's using mayonnaise. So mayonnaise has egg and it has oil, and it also toasts and looks the same, and it provides a really nice flavor. So we're gonna make some mayonnaise from scratch, and then we'll put together this grilled cheese. So let's get out 1 egg and just crack it right in there. We're gonna do just a splash of acid. You can use lemon juice or any sort of vinegar. We've got just a little bit of apple cider, not much. It's like a spoonful. So we're gonna use an immersion blender to make some mayonnaise from scratch. And what you wanna do, you wanna have it mixing at a high speed, and then you slowly add your oil. The lecithin in the egg yolk helps to emulsify the water with the oil, so we get an emulsified mayonnaise. So Adrian, you can blend it on high speed, and I'll slowly drizzle this in. If you don't have an immersion blender, you can do this with a blender. You can do it with a food processor as well. So just real slow. If you go too fast, you'll break the mayonnaise, it'll split. Can you feel it getting a little thicker?
Yeah.
Okay. Pull that up and try and get that oil that was just on the top. Yeah. Okay. Stay there. That's good. We're gonna season this. Salt. If you don't want your pepper flakes to show up, use white pepper, but we're okay with just a little bit of specks. Go ahead, blend that up. That's good. All right, unplug that, and if you want to take it to the dish pit real quick, that'd be great. Let's taste it for seasoning. Make sure that it tastes all right. It's a perfect consistency. Yeah, it's gonna be good. You need just a touch more salt. And the apple cider vinegar adds just a little bit of sweetness to this, but not much. If you wanted to make your own Miracle Whip, you could up the acid, up the amount of vinegar, and also add like a pinch of sugar. But that was only about 1 cup of oil, so that's about the right ratio, 1 cup of oil per egg. We'll grab another one. All right, here we go. Okay. Butter our breads.
Can you pass me the margarine, please?
No, with the mayonnaise.
Oh.
Remember, this time we're doing mayo. So just a good thin layer, not like you would put even on a sandwich that you were gonna eat, like a ham and cheese or something. Yeah, nice and thin. Slap her down. Perfect. This one too. Mayonnaise is super versatile. You turn it into salad dressings. It's the base for a lot of sauces. Yeah, that's great. Try and get that one a little closer. And so again, we're just gonna toast this side a little bit, and that's gonna aid in helping that cheese melt. So we're gonna build it the same way. But I do like both sides toasted. Do you toast both sides?
I toast both sides. I toast both sides.
Okay, good. Some people don't, but you can do it however you want. Let's take a look. It's going a little faster. Yeah, pull it. Perfect, pull it. There we go. So we're gonna take this. I think we'll try 3 slices of cheese just to see what happens on this one. Which one should we do a second one? Muenster or Colby? Muenster, all right, it's one of my favorite cheeses. All right, so let's butter that side and then slap it down. And by butter, I mean mayo it. It's a verb now. Looking good, Frankie. And then we adjusted the heat a little bit because it was cooking kind of fast. Yeah. And this cheese is not gonna melt as quick as that American cheese. So you might consider moving it to the cooler spot, and it's gonna take just a little bit more time. You got the right idea. Butter that side now. Perfect. Thanks, sir. Yeah, let's move it over. It's getting a little dark, but I want it to be more toasty. Yeah, perfect right there. Here's just a little bit of pressure. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, let me cool off a little bit. Got a little too warm. Yeah, let's take a look at the bottom. I don't want it to burn. See, that it's a lot nicer on this side. Yeah, flip it back over. Yeah, so this cooler part seems to be working really well. Flip her over. Okay. See, so we can tell that it's warmer over there because it's getting browner on this side. So flip it back over, but make this a little bit closer. Does that make sense? There you go. And then turn it this way. Yeah. She's done. Beautiful, Frankie. Good job, good job. Okay. Oh. We didn't get a cheese pull, guys. What are we doing wrong? But this looks great. That is a great looking grilled cheese. That's 2 grilled cheese down. We'll be right back as we start our 3rd grilled cheese, which is actually a melt.